This is the little tutorial on artistic text, and it follows a similar one to Objective 4.1, which is using combined layers and backgrounds, and I think it's the blend mode of addition. Yeah. So what I've done is I've created a bit of text saying stars, and it's made out of these little star shapes. If you zoom in a little bit, you'll see there's actually stars that make it up. To do that, it's quite simple. So there's no file to download in the description section here. You just go to File and New, and set it to 800 times 400 to be a good width and height. Click OK. And that's not what I want. And delete that layer. I'm going to create a white layer there. There we go. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, if your layer's white, you don't need to have deleted and redone. But there we go. So what I need to do is I need to choose two colours that my stars are going to vary between. I'm choosing a sort of purple and a mint green or a turquoisey colour. You can choose whatever you want. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to choose a paintbrush. I'm going to set it to star, which is that option there. It should be one of the default paintbrushes you get with GIMP. And I'm going to make sure that the dynamics are set to confetti. It's very important you do that, because if you do so, you'll be able to start drawing lots of stars at different sizes all over the shop. And I'm just going to fill this area like so by just drawing around. And as you see, confetti mode just creates loads of different stars of varying shapes, sizes and colours. Alright, that should do it. So now I've got that. That's my background for the text. I'm going to now go here and create a new layer. Make sure it's white. So I've got that layer there, and now I'm going to make some text. But before I actually add some text, I'm going to set the foreground colour to black, like that. I'm going to draw a box, like so. And inside that box, I chose Sergo UI Heavy Italic as well. It's just the font I've been using recently in my tutorials. I'm going to type the word stars, like so. I'm going to highlight the text. As you can see, it's black, which is the important thing. I'm going to leave it at that size, 253. You do what you feel comfortable with. And then I'm going to go to the Move tool. And I'm going to position my text like so. Now what I'm going to do is, in the Layers tab, you can see I've got a separate text layer for stars, and I've got a white background layer underneath it, and then I've got the background layer that's got all the actual funny stars. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this top layer with the text. I'm going to right click on it, and I am going to merge down. Now I've got one single layer for both the text and the white background. I'm going to go to the blend mode for that, and I'm going to go for addition. And there we go. And then finally, once I'm happy with that, I can move it around if I want. So just try moving it around wherever I want it to be. Once I'm happy with that, I right click on this and I merge down. And then, just to finish things off, I'm going to create a box with the marquee tool, and I'm going to go to image, and I'm going to go to crop to selection, and that's my final image. So there you go, the word stars made out of stars.